In customer service, we're supposed to be friendly, warm, hospitable. We're supposed to smile, which is easy to do if that's how you feel. But what if you don't feel so great? What if you're having a bad day, or an angry or upset customer influences your attitude, and sometimes even before you realize it? What then? What can you do about it? There's a concept called the attitude anchor. It anchors your attitude in a positive place. And if you've not heard of this concept before, I'm going to share a link in the comments so you can dive deeper. But today, I want to share with you two examples of exercises you can do to anchor your attitude in a positive place. One exercise is something you can do in the moment, right after you've had a frustrating experience, to recover your naturally great attitude. And the second exercise is something you can do to help yourself maintain a great attitude. So let's jump right in. The first exercise is smiling. Now, this is going to sound weird, so I want you to trust me on this one for a moment. You can do this exercise along with me. Imagine you've had a frustrating experience, maybe an upset customer, maybe you're tired, and you know your attitude is just in the wrong place. Here's a very quick and easy way to recover. Okay, step one, I want you to sit somewhere comfortable. You might be doing that now. And step two, if you will, close your eyes. Okay, I'm doing this, so please do this along with me. Now, step three, take a deep breath. And step four, put a smile on your face. Take another deep breath and just clear your brain. Stop thinking about anything. Just focus on that smile and your breathing. Okay, now open your eyes. In just that quick moment, you're feeling a little bit better. Your mood is elevated. Now, it might not be perfect, but it's better. And in the moment, that short adjustment can work wonders for the next customer that you serve. All right, but what about maintaining a great attitude? Well, here's one thing that you can do to do that. Get outside, take a walk, spend time in nature. When you're outdoors, it helps clear your brain and it restores your naturally good mood. Do this on a regular basis, and a good mood is easier to maintain. So those are two exercises. You can use these to adjust your attitude in the moment or maintain a great attitude over the long run. I've added that article as a link in the comments so you can dive deeper, learn more about attitude anchors and how to identify your own so that you can maintain a fantastic attitude at all times. I'm Jeff Toyster. This is a customer service tip to help you serve your customers at the highest level. If you like these tips, go ahead and hit subscribe, leave a comment, and if you'd like free tips like this, go to toystersolutions.com/tips. Sign up for my free customer service tip of the week email.